Hi, welcome to Loud Creations. I am going to go ahead and do a tasting video today. I started this mead, which is my strawberries and cream mead, several months ago, and I already did a video on it, so if you want to see how I made this mead, check out right here-ish. And is it on this way?
I think it's over there.
No, somebody in the comments, and I'm sorry I can't remember your name, if you watch this video, told me it's the left, and I'm left-handed, so.
Okay.
To the left. Thank you for that, because now I remember. They helped me. But anyway, what were we talking about? Oh, so I started this several months ago, and I think I put strawberries in primary, and then I put a vanilla bean in there, and then in secondary I put more strawberries, and then I ended up adding vanilla extract as well. I put all of the mead in these ceramic containers with these tea corks, and one of them popped out. I pasteurized this, but I must not have I probably didn't do it right because one of them like popped out and it was super carbonated. But the rest of them seem fine, so we'll see if this is carbonated. I had to estimate the ABV on this, and it's estimated as 11%. So are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Taste this. I love strawberries. The meadery that I would go to when I was in college. Oh yeah, it seems spritzy. They had a strawberry wine that I would get on occasion, and I loved it. All right, so right off the bat, I can tell it's a little carbonated.
It smells like strawberries from here. I don't even have to...
Yeah, you can really smell. I did, I think, a total of like 4 pounds of strawberries for 1.5 gallons. It was a lot of strawberries because after fermenting, it wasn't super flavorful, so I added another couple pounds into secondary. And it's not...
It's a nice strawberry color. It's a little... it's more of an orangish hue, but it's...
Yeah, it's pretty clear. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty clear.
Is this color entirely from the strawberries?
Yeah.
Well, that's interesting.
Yeah. I mean, it's not... I was hoping to get like a really rich, deep red color, but the strawberries I used weren't. They were frozen strawberries from Costco. So next time I'm going to use some more local fresh strawberries, I think, and freeze them, and then... Anyway, we ready to...
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Ooh, spritzy.
Yeah, it's fizzy. Effervescent. I don't know
Effervescent. So
yeah.
I can tell just based on... I drank some of this earlier, and it was a little sweeter. It definitely tastes a little more dry than it did before.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's pretty good.
It's a little more acidic, kind of like wine.
Yeah, and that was kind of why I added so many strawberries to secondary, is it was really tart. It was just like eating a tart strawberry.
It's not tart now.
Yeah, I'd say it's still a little... Well, it's unintentionally carbonated, so that kind of adds a zip to it that I wasn't expecting.
It's almost like a wine cooler, just not super sweet.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm a little disappointed, I'm not gonna lie. It's not bad at all. It's totally enjoyable. I'll drink it. But I was hoping for it to have a lot more depth to it. It's kind of watery, and if I recall, this might have been one that I added a bunch of... that's what I did. I added a bunch of lactose, so I watered it down, and that's why I ended up adding strawberries to secondary, or more strawberries than I would have, and I tried to like beef it back up. Well, not beef, because I'm going for strawberries, but you know what I mean. I wanted it to be like a fuller mouthfeel, and it's not. So I would say going forward, I probably wouldn't use lactose for this and just stick with the vanilla and do more of a straight strawberry thing, because this one got so watered down. I didn't know how to do the lactose. This, I think, was one of the first ones I used lactose in. And instead, I didn't realize you could put a bunch of lactose in like a cup of water and it'll dissolve. Instead, I did like a 1-to-1. So I did like 4 cups of lactose to 4 cups of water. So yeah, there it is. It's watery, but it's nice and light. Yeah. So on a hot, sunny day, this will be a nice beverage. Mm-hmm. It's like a pop.
Yeah.
That's not very sweet. It's a little tart. A little vanilla. I taste the vanilla, but not as strongly as I would have expected.
The cream aspect is kind of lost. The strawberry and cream is really captured more in the smell, I think.
Yeah, you can...
The color.
The smell. Yeah, it's almost like, when you drink a LaCroix or one of those flavored sparkling waters where it smells and you're like, ooh, this is going to be good. And then you take a sip and it's like, I can hang with that, but it's not quite what I was going for. So... there it is. I would recommend not using a bunch of water when you're dissolving your lactose, if you do want to use lactose. And with this, I would probably put a little more vanilla in there. But again, I think some of the sweetness was lost because it continued to ferment after I bottled. So there it is, strawberries and cream. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.